This cloud solution is the Microsoft Skydrive. The Microsoft Skydrive provides storage, sharing, and limited access to apps. You pay a monthly fee. Service is provided on a month-to-month basis. There is no contract. With this service, you get 7 gigabytes for free. Anything above that you pay for. Starting with 20 gigabytes, that will cost you $10. 50 gigabytes will cost you $25, and 100 gigabytes will cost you $50. Some of the features include the following. You don't need a dedicated IT staff. You can work offline. You can share documents, view documents from mobile devices, and it does have disaster recovery with multiple data centers and automatic failovers. Advantages include 24/7 access to data. Cost is very low. You can access the data from anywhere with any device. There is great reliability. The uptime is great. You can scale at any time you need to. You only pay for the service you need. When you need additional storage, you can just pay for the additional storage. There is secure communication. You can also encrypt the data and password protect your files before you upload them. Maintenance on the server is provided by Microsoft, so this is something you don't have to worry about. The disadvantage includes the following. Limited apps. This service does come with some apps that's available. However, it's very limited. On mobile devices, when you use the app designed for mobile devices, it does provide some limitations. There's certain things you can't do. And in the sharing folder on the control panel, you can only see what documents are shared with you from others, but you cannot see what you shared with others. To sign up for the service is very simple. Go to the website and complete the process. It only takes a few seconds. Now let's take a look at how Skydrive works on the PC. Let's take a look at how you would use Skydrive from the PC. First, you would go to the Skydrive website, sign up for the service. So once you've signed up for the service and you log into your account, it brings you to the control panel. So this is what Skydrive looks like. From here, you can edit and create new documents and manage your documents. On the files is where you would see all of your files. Recent documents would show you all of your recent documents that you've just worked with. Shared would show you all of your shared files. From here you can go to Mail. This feature with Skydrive allows you to read and send messages from other email accounts without signing into different places. Now let's go back to the Skydrive control panel. Here we're going to take a look at groups. We can create groups and assign users to groups. The process is very simple. We can add people using their email addresses. Now we have our group created. So we create a group called Drive 1, and there it is. We can create a Word document from here. Call it Document 1. This Word web app looks and feels just like the one you use on your PC. Very simple and straightforward to use. We can save the document or share a document right from here. Now that we're finished with that, we're going to go back to the Skydrive control panel. As you can see, even though we've shared a document, it does not appear in the shared folder as being shared. Notice we're going to click on the file and notice the menu options that appear at the very top. From here, one of the options is to download. So we can download a document onto our PC, open up our Microsoft Word or Excel, and work with the document. At the very bottom of the screen, you'll notice the option there to get Skydrive apps. Skydrive does have apps available in the App Store. You can download apps for the PC, for mobile devices such as iPad, iPhone. Some apps are free, some you have to pay for. On the bottom left corner, there's a link to manage your storage. From this window, you can see how much space you have available, how much you've utilized. If you need additional space, you can click the upgrade link to upgrade to additional storage capacity. So if you want to see what documents you have shared, go to the Files folder, select the document, then use the Manage menu option and go down to Properties. On the right, an information area opens and tells you whether or not that particular document is being shared. There's also the option to download Skydrive on your PC. To do this, simply click on the download button. Run it. Once it's completed, it downloads a folder onto your hard drive. Any files you place in the folder will be synchronized with your Skydrive online so that you can access it from anywhere. So this is a Skydrive folder that it places on your computer. We're going to go ahead and create a Word document using the application on my PC. Then I'm going to save it to the Skydrive folder. So we've done that. It's in the Skydrive folder. And let's take a look to see if it shows up over here. So here it is. This is a document we created using the Microsoft Word from our PC. Saved it to the Skydrive location on the PC. And now it's synchronized with Skydrive in the cloud. So the document is available that I can access from anywhere. So we can open and edit this document. I'm going to use the Word web app. So now we're using the browser instead of the application on our PC to edit this document. There you go. Now back to the control panel. From here we can sign out. That brings us to the login screen. Now let's take a look at how Skydrive works on mobile devices. In this particular situation, we're first going to take a look at how the app works on the iPad. So to get the app, you go to the iPad App Store, download the app and install it. Once you install it, it places an icon on the desktop, launch the icon, and it brings you to the control panel. From the control panel, you can access the documents, the pictures, and you can see what's available in the public folder. Now let's open up a document. This is a Microsoft Word document that I've uploaded. I cannot edit this document from the iPad unless I have an app that I've downloaded onto the iPad that would allow me to do that. That's one of the limitations of using the app. This is a piece of software offered by Microsoft Office. It's called Office 2 HD that you can download onto the iPad, and use to edit your documents from Skydrive. Now let's take a look at how Skydrive would work on the iPad if we were to go directly to a website and use it just like we would from the PC. From here, you can see it looks the same way as it did from the PC. From this control panel, you can access your files and play with all the features that's available to you on the PC. So we can open up a document, and now we can actually edit this document using the iPad. We can do that because we're using the web-based editor to edit the document. So I don't have to actually have an app downloaded onto my iPad in order to edit this once I'm using the web-based version of Skydrive. And once I'm done, I can log out. And that brings us back to the logon page. Despite its limitations, Skydrive can be a good cloud service for small businesses. Sign up and try it out for free before deciding whether or not it's right for your business. That brings us to the end.